You hand your skill to a security scanner. Green. You try another one. Green. Cisco's, NVIDIA's, the one baked into the marketplace. Every single scanner says it's safe. So you install it. And a week later, that same skill quietly tells your agent to download a script and run it. The scanner wasn't broken. It just read the wrong thing. This is the agent supply chain. And right now, it's wide open. Quick refresher. A skill is just a bundle of instructions your agent loads into its context and follows, with roughly the authority of you, the user. That's the whole point. And it's also the whole problem. You're not running code you reviewed. You're trusting text someone else wrote. So a security firm called Air ran an experiment. They built a fake skill, brand landing page, that supposedly builds you a landing page. Then they went shopping for trust. First, stars. They opened a pull request into a marketplace repo with 36,000 of them. It got merged and the skill inherited the credibility. Then they ran an Instagram ad at marketers and designers. Air says it reached around 26,000 agents, some on corporate accounts. Now pump the brakes on that number. The payload was harmless by design. It just grabbed an email and stopped. And the 26,000 figure is Air's own, unverified, and conveniently announced while they're launching their own skill marketplace. Read it with one eyebrow up. But here's the part that actually holds up. The skill itself was clean. It shipped no malicious code. It just said, to finish setup, follow the install docs at this link. At scan time, that link pointed to a real, boring docs page. So every scanner fetched a snapshot, saw nothing, and waved it through. Then, after thousands of installs, Air swapped the page behind the link. The new version told the agent to download and run a script. The scan happens once. The link can be rewritten forever. And this isn't one clever stunt. Trail of Bits did basically the same thing 3 weeks earlier, strolling past Cisco scanner and every detector wired into the marketplace. Anthropic's own docs literally warn that skills which fetch external URLs are risky, for this exact reason. Same week, a separate attack called AutoJack used one web page to pop a calculator through a browsing agent. Different door, same wide open house, and the timing is brutal. MCP, the thing wiring agents into every app you own, goes enterprise next month, which Akamai says trades a batch of old bugs for a fresh batch of new attack surface. Meanwhile, the money's reading the room. Straker just raised $64 million to defend enterprise agents, after its own lab found 91% of successful attacks on productivity agents ended in silent data theft. No malware, no trace. So what do you actually do? Treat skills as software, not vibes. Vet what a skill points to, not just what it ships. Pin versions. Give agents the least access they can survive on. Route everything through one source you control, and recheck it when anything changes. Researchers are even catching poisoned agents by the order they call their tools. Recall a fact, then send an email? That's a tell. They're hitting 99% accuracy. The uncomfortable truth. A green checkmark on a skill means it was clean the moment someone looked. Not now. If this is the kind of breakdown you want every week, subscribe. Seriously, hit subscribe. We pull one of these apart every time the agent world catches fire, which is apparently weekly.